Hi, it's Blythe, host of Baby and Toddler Instructions with my helpers, Lucy and Desi. And we're all dressed up because we like to feel good about ourselves. But if you're a new mom, an expectant mom, or a seasoned mom, what are you supposed to do to stay healthy and feel pretty and good about yourself? Do we need to drink more water? Do we need to eat healthier? What about getting our hair done more? Here, guys. Or do we need to put more face cream on? A little cream on you? Or what about a little more makeup for you? No, boys don't wear makeup. I mean, what do we do to age backwards, especially when we're so tired? Well, my guest this week on Baby and Toddler Instructions will be Jackie Silver, and she's all about aging backwards. So I hope you'll join us this Wednesday, June 25th, 11 o'clock Eastern on TogiNet.com. And you'll learn how to age backwards too. Because all I can tell you, when you're a new parent, the last thing you do is think of yourself. But it should be the first. And by the way, don't forget to visit mybestparentingadvice.com and babyinstructions.com. I just added some new fun activities to do this summer when your toddler says, "Mommy, I'm bored." So we will see you on June 25th.
Like running and dancing for joy, but I'm not a pretty, wonderful I feel pretty, oh so pretty. I feel